Welcome to my channel Sarvasiddhi Prakash. Today I am drawing bear. This bear I am using red color and black color marker, blue color crayons and orange. Draw a hand.
Round and round the wheels on the bus go round and round all through the town.
Legs drawing.
Bus. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish.
Teddy bear bottom line draw.
Bus go swish, swish, swish all through the town.
Hands drawing.
The wheels on the bus.
Draw a teddy bear tie.
The wheels on the bus. Yeah!
Bear head drawing. Ears, eyes, nose and mouth with marker.
Beep, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus. People on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town.
Teddy bear hand drawing with red color crayons. Bear tie drawing with green color crayons. Bear smile drawing with blue color pencil. Bear nose drawing with black color sketch. Bear shading with red color crayons.